My name is Isaac Brady. I work for Digi-Key Electronics. Pros is where all of our pricing comes from that gets fed into our website and that our customers see. I think a key challenge is really the complexity of our business, or I should say the scale of our business, because we have such a vast amount of components to price. We have over 10 million SKUs, and those can have lots of different quantity breaks. And it's not a simple thing to just get prices for all of those quantities and for all those components. So Pros really enables us to use that hierarchical function to price the products, and for 10 million parts where we're changing prices every day on a large number of products. I think Pros has been really instrumental in taking away all of the monotonous tasks that I don't want to do, that other people don't want to do, and in order for us to manage our pricing. And at this point, I don't see another way to do it. So if I had to figure that out, I wouldn't be very happy. I think I would just go back to taking away all those monotonous tasks is a big thing, and then bringing visibility into our pricing, explainability to the business, to all of the shareholders within the business, so that they can understand, hey, here's how we're building up the pricing, here's how it's managed, and here's why you can trust it. It's been really great recently. They've been instrumental in helping us, go to the cloud. We've had a really great interactions with the cloud conversion team, with our CSM, of course, sitting across from me. They've given us, I think, a lot of support and a lot of information that we need to kind of move forward with confidence, in our pricing. I would say we have very complex value-add pricing, and that's something we did manually. There was a lot of process to build up the pricing, and we were able to work with kind of our technical ETL teams and with the Pro software in order to kind of build up that pricing within Pros and within the lookups, and take away all that manual work, which there was a significant amount of manual work when it came to pricing all of those value-added products. So that was probably my biggest accomplishment, and we've gotten 6 different types of value adds done. We have a couple more to go, but that's been huge for me and for the pricing team.